Alright, I'd like to take you out on a little tour of my shop here. I've been doing this for about 20 years and have done a lot of different things. I'll show you some of the things I finished after we do the shop tour. On the wall here we have a bunch of hand tools, mallets, saws, chisels, wrenches, just about everything, hammers, clamps. Over here is a selection of hardboards used for templates, some templates up on the wall along with some circle templates and French curves, things like that. They're used for doing construction, so you can do some nice work. I've taught geometry, so that's come in handy with the compasses and everything. Down here you've got your compressor and the scroll saw, supply of dowels and offcuts, my wood supply, which the scroll saw. Over here, the table saw with its outfeed table. At the end there is the lathe. The lathe is an interesting tool. Over here we've got the planer. And the drill press is over here. Got all the Forstner bits and regular bits, brad point bits. Up here, these are clamps that I made to build guitars with. They have extra long reach, kind of required. A couple of jigs on the wall there. Have my supply of parts and things like that, screws, nuts, bolts, that sort of thing. Dremel tool, paints, just various things here. Gloves, safety equipment, hearing protection, you've got your eye protection, that sort of thing. This is a divider I built for the shop. It's a three-car garage, which I split into a 2 and a 1. It uses a pocket door. I had to buy 2 sets of pocket doors and glue them together here. Then I had to design it so the opening was correct, so that my car door would open up in here like this. And of course you can see all the work here, the headers, the studs, that sort of thing that you put in. And it had to be set up so that the water heater door was able to open. And then you could still get the car in here. I've done a lot of projects and have documented them all. Here's a quick catalog sheet that I made up of the different things I've made. And they've all been documented in these project books up here. There is 5 volumes, including a separate volume for the guitar I built. Lots of books I've collected over the years. About 3 shelves of books on woodworking. I'm especially proud of the documentation I've made of my projects. This happens to be a little basket I made, and it's an expanding basket, and has its engineering drawings over on this side. And then just various things I've built over the years, with their engineering drawings. Lots of magic tricks, instruments. I made this end table. This little table right here. Just pretty basic, nothing great, it's basic. I made this bookcase here. I made this music stand. I built the guitar over here. And I built the music stand. All the supports and everything for the instruments I have. A lot of instruments here. That's a dulcimer, ukulele, African thumb piano, a marimba. I've also made a bunch of magic tricks. They're really challenging. That's the reason I like them so much. A rack to keep all my knives and forks and things in. And here is a cutting board that I made. A lot of people have liked these and have bought them from me. pencil holder. Just a square box. Learn all the techniques you need.